Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a Captain America shield. Well, not this shield, but this is actually a shield that I made a long time ago. It's one of my earlier models, and it's made from entirely from metal, and I used a old metal sled that I used to have. But today I'll be teaching you how to build this cardboard Captain America shield, and it's really fun to build, and plus it works just as good as a Frisbee. At our next live workshop at the Comic-Con Museum, we'll be teaching you how to make a Captain America shield and a Wonder Woman shield. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is print out the template, and you want to cut out all the solid black lines. So now that you're done cutting, you should have 6 pieces right now, and you are going to get your cardboard box and start to tape these pieces on. You want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space in between these pieces. And then for these pieces that are labeled shield, small, and large, they say 5 pieces each. So this means that after you've taped out and cut out one, you're gonna use this paper and you're gonna cut out 4 more. So you're gonna tape it on the cardboard 4 more times and then cut it up 4 more times. So these 3 pieces are, they're gonna be 5 pieces each for each one. So now that you've taped all your pieces, you are ready to cut them out. And just so I can remind you guys, make sure to cut out 5 large pieces, 5 shield pieces, and 5 small pieces. And then for these, the circle, star, and the pentagon, you're gonna just cut 1 out for each. Great job, guys. So now that you've finished cutting all your pieces, you should have 5 of these large pieces, as well as 5 small pieces, and then 5 of these shield part pieces. And the first thing you're gonna want is to get your shield pieces. All right, so now that you have your 5 shield pieces, you're gonna want to curve each piece. So you're gonna wanna curve it this way, and you're also gonna wanna curve it this way. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. I would recommend using your table on the edge of it, and this helps it get a nice smooth curve. So now I've curved it this way, and now I'm also gonna curve it this way. So now you can curve it this way, and it's also curved this way. And then you're gonna do that with each of your pieces. Great job, guys. So now that you've curved all your pieces, you're going to want to glue them together. So what you're gonna do is put a line of glue right on this part right here, and you're gonna attach it like so. Make sure you hold for at least 30 seconds because this is a harder piece to glue on. So this is what your shield should look like right now. And you're gonna wanna support your shield by gluing a line across these seams. Now you wanna get your circle piece. And what you're gonna do is glue this onto the back of your shield, and you wanna make sure it completely covers the hole. Also make sure to only glue on the perimeter of the circle. All right, so now your shield should look like this. And what you're gonna wanna do is reinforce your circle piece and glue around the edge of it. Next, grab your pentagon piece and star. And then you're going to glue them together and make sure that all the points align. All right, so it should look like this, and what you're gonna do is glue the back of this onto the front of the shield, and it should fit like a puzzle. Now you're gonna get your 5 large pieces, and you're gonna curve them this way. So I recommend using your table for this. And it should look something like this. Now that you've curved your large pieces, you can glue them onto the shield. I recommend aligning the end of your piece with the seam, like so. But if you want a little bit more of a challenge, or you also want to make your shield a little bit more sturdy, you can glue the middle, or you can align the middle of this piece with the seam right here, and you're going to do this with all of your pieces. Your shield should look like this, and what you're gonna do is get your small pieces and curve it just like you did with the large pieces. Now that you've curved all your small pieces, we're ready to glue them right onto the shield. And you're gonna do basically exactly what you did with the large piece, except make sure that this piece touches the points of the star. And what you can do is match the ends of this with the seam of the cardboard. But if you want to make your shield a little more sturdy, you can align the middle of this piece with the seam as well. And you're going to do this all around your shield. Great job, guys. You have now completed your finished Captain America shield. If you want to add straps to your shield, you easily can. All you need to do is cut out 2 pieces of cardboard right here and glue them at the back of your shield. But I like to use it as a frisbee instead. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more projects. We'll be posting one every week on Thursday throughout this entire summer. So stay tuned.